Peppa, George, and George are having breakfast.
Nice.
It is a lovely sunny day, and Peppa and George can't wait to go into the garden to play. Doom.
We're petting until it's done. Mummy, please can we go out to play?
No.
Please.
No.
Cookie! Nom. Magic.
George, don't drink your juice. Don't drink your juice.
George, stop! Stop! Oh, shit.
Can we go out to play now, Mummy?
Not.
Peppa Pig and George have really good parents.
Oh, all right. Oh, all.
I used to think that my life was a tragedy. But now I realize it's a comedy.
George! George! Please stop hiccuping.
George, stop!
Thank you.